Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my updated skincare routine and I've been doing this for a while now and I am pretty happy with it. I feel like my skin likes it. I'm happy with my skin. I don't wear makeup very often, honestly, even though the majority of my videos are, makeup. But still, I don't really wear makeup that often, so I like my skin to look good and I like to feel good about my skin. So with that being said, let's get started. So for a cleanser, I use the, it's backwards. For a cleanser, I use the First Aid Beauty face cleanser and I'm obsessed with this. I've gone through, I think this is my second bottle of it and I love it. I feel like it cleans my face really well. I think that it helps prevent acne. I just love it. First Aid Beauty is my favorite skincare brand. I use a lot of their stuff. I have for a few years. I'm just obsessed with it. So yeah, this is the facial cleanser that I use. I just use my hands to wash my face, just make sure they're clean, and yeah. For an exfoliator, I use the Clinique exfoliating scrub. Again, second bottle, love it. I feel like it works really well. It's a pretty intense exfoliator, but not too intense. I do it every day. That just is what works best with my skin. Everybody's skin's different, but for me, I do it every day. Okay, and then to dry my face, I always pat it instead of like rubbing because the skin on your face is super sensitive. So if you like rub the crap out of it, then it's not good. So I always just pat it dry. Okay, and then another thing that I do like a couple times a month, usually just before a special occasion, I don't do this all the time, is this is a Tinkle face razor. And this takes off any peach fuzz from your face. It also helps to exfoliate. It's awesome. Know your skin, or know your hair doesn't grow back darker or thicker or anything. These are wonderful. So I can do an in-depth tutorial on it, but if you're gonna do it, make sure you get a face razor. A regular razor, probably not, but just make sure you get a face razor. It's super delicate. All I do is I kind of pull up on my skin and you just do little motions like up and down, and I have the cover on it right now so it's not doing anything, but that's all you do and it really just makes your skin like super smooth, hair free, like makeup looks so much better. I 10 out of 10 recommend this. I haven't been doing this for that long, but I love it and I totally recommend. So if you're interested in this, again, this is the Tinkle razor. I got it off of Amazon. They were like $10, if that. It was a 3-pack. I'll link them down below if you want to check them out, but I love them. Okay, and then for face serum, I use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. I've been using this for a while. This is about halfway gone, I would say, and it says it's to replenish, smooth, and soften. I love this. It's a super lightweight serum, but it really like makes your skin soft and moisturized. So I use about a pump, and then I just lightly kind of rub this into my face. And then towards the end, I like pat it into my skin so that my skin can really like absorb the serum. Okay, and something else that I do, again, not every day, maybe a couple times a month as well, is I Derma Roll. This is, again, from Amazon. They have different sizes. You can get like a 1mm needle, a 0.5mm needle. This is a 0.25, so they're super tiny. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not very well. But it's this little roller with really, really tiny needles. And what it does is helps collagen production. It helps with any acne scars. It just makes your skin like try to repair itself. And then it sends a lot of blood to your face, which makes your skin repair faster, be more elastic, helps with collagen, like I said. It's wonderful. And it helps with wrinkles. So I use it on my forehead a lot because I have frown lines. And so what you do is I pull up again a little bit on my skin, and then you do just like small little motions. You don't want to go back and forth. That's not good. But just go up, lift it off, go up again, lift it off, and just do that. I love this. It makes your skin super shiny, super bright. Again, I've noticed a change in my wrinkles a little bit. Not that they're that deep set, but I've still noticed an improvement using this. So I highly recommend. I'll leave this in the description as well. For an eye cream, I use the Ole Henriksen Brightening Eye Cream. I love this. It's almost gone, but I will probably replace it because I'm obsessed. This has vitamin C in it, and it's for collagen boosting. And an eye cream is super important, I think, because it just really helps brighten up your eyes, make them look super youthful and healthy and bright, and I just love. Okay, and finally for my skincare, I use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is like literally probably my 5th jar of this. This is the only moisturizer, English please, only moisturizer that I ever use. I've tried other ones. I tried one from Olay, wasn't too crazy about it. I've tried some from like Aveeno. I don't know, I've tried a bunch of different ones. I always go back to this one. It's so creamy. I love it. It just like sinks into my skin, and you get like a lot of product when you buy this. So it's totally worth it. And First Aid Beauty is sold at Sephora. It's sold at Ulta. So it's like super easily available, which is great. Okay guys, so that's it for my skincare routine. I'm super happy with my skin lately. This routine seems to help it be a little more glowy. Other things, make sure you drink lots of water, make sure you sleep, make sure you put on sunscreen, which I need some work on, but I'm going to tell you to do it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to be back on the YouTube game because I took a long time away from it. And be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it linked down below. And stay tuned for my next video. I think my plan is to do Fridays and Sundays because that's when I watch a lot of YouTube videos, so I feel like that's when other people would want to watch them too. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!